In this tutorial, we're going to explore a handy feature on Spotify that allows you to hide songs you don't want to hear. Note that we can only hide songs in the Spotify mobile app. But if you come across a public playlist, such as an artist radio or a Spotify-generated playlist, and there's a song you want to hide, here's what you need to do. Navigate to the playlist in the Spotify mobile app. Locate the song you want to hide, and tap on the three dots button icon next to its name. This will bring up the Song Options menu. Within it, you'll see an option that says Hide this song. Tap on that button. It's worth mentioning that you won't be able to hide songs from your own playlists or liked songs. The Hide this song option will only appear in playlists that don't belong to you. Now, let's move on to hiding songs within albums. If you come across an album and there's a song you wish to hide, follow these steps. Go to the desired album and find the song you want to hide. Tap on the three dots icon next to its name to access the Song Options menu. Within this menu, you'll find the Hide this song option. Tap on it to hide the song from the album. The same process applies if you want to hide an artist. Simply navigate to the artist's page and follow the steps mentioned earlier. Please note that if you search for a song in the search bar, you won't see the Hide this song option in the search results. Instead, select the song from the album or as a single, and then the option to hide it will become available. Now, what if you change your mind and want to unhide a song on Spotify? Here's what you need to do. Open the Spotify mobile app for Android or iOS. Access the Settings menu by tapping on the gear-shaped icon. Make sure the Show Unplayable Songs option is enabled. You can do this by ensuring the slider is green. Navigate to the song you wish to unhide, and tap on the three dots button next to it to open the Song Options menu. Select the button that says Hidden to unhide the song and make it playable again. Moving on, Spotify also allows you to hide your recently played artists from your public profile. This can be useful if you prefer to keep your musical preferences more private. Here's how you can hide recently played artists for Android and iOS. Tap on the gear-shaped settings icon at the top of the home screen. Scroll down to the social section. If the recently played artists option is enabled, tap on it once to hide your recently played artists. The slider will turn gray. You can also do it on your desktop app. Open the app and click on the Display Name drop-down. Select Settings and scroll down to the Social section. If the Show My Recently Played Artists on My Public Profile option is enabled, click on it once to hide your recently played artists. The slider will turn gray. And there you have it. Thank you for watching.